front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Bluetooth right away. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wish to connect to. Click on this icon next to Allow access to your contacts and call logs to enable or disable this option, and finally hit Pair. Now just wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, use this icon right next to your connected device and hit Unpair under device name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!